Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to view and reconcile potential matches in the IMS Inward Supplies report in Tally Prime. Even with accurate entries, minor mismatches in document number, document date, or GSTIN or UIN can prevent transactions from being reconciled. Tally Prime makes it easy to identify and fix such differences using the potential matches. It groups similar entries that nearly match, making it easier to fix mismatches and reconcile. Press Alt-G, type or select Invoice Management System and press Enter. Drill down from the required section to the IMS Inward Voucher Register. Now, press F8 to open the Potential Matches view. You can view the transactions for the period selected in the IMS Inward Supplies report. Press C to change the period or T to continue. You will see two key sections: excluding document number and document date, and excluding GSTIN or UIN, document number and document date. Let us look at the first section, excluding document number and document date. Here, you will find transactions that match in all details except for the document number or date. For example, let us take the following transactions recorded for RJ Traders. You can see two transactions, one corresponding to your books and the other in blue, corresponding to the details on the portal. Both transactions are similar in all aspects except the document number and document date, which appear correctly on the portal but not in your books. You can easily resolve this by specifying the correct voucher number and date in your transaction. To automatically resolve the mismatch, place the cursor on the entry from the portal. Then press Alt-W to copy the document number and date from the portal. Press Y to confirm. The voucher will move to the reconciled section. In some cases, one portal voucher will be linked to multiple book vouchers. Once you have identified the relevant book voucher for the portal data, you can manually update the document number and date. If you want to manually reconcile a potential match, then select the book entry and press Alt-V to manually update the document number and date. Enter the correct values and press Ctrl-A to save. The voucher will move to the reconciled section. Now, let us look at the second section, excluding party GSTIN UIN, document number and document date. These entries are similar in tax values but differ in document number, document date, and the party GSTIN or UIN. You can update the document number and date as shown earlier, but for the GSTIN or UIN, you will need to drill down to the voucher. Go to the party details screen, update the GSTIN, and save the changes. Once all the three fields match, the voucher will move to the reconciled section. As you saw, resolving potential matches in Tally Prime is simple and efficient, saving you time and ensuring accurate reconciliation. Thank you. To know more about Tally Prime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.